Now I'll be making the llama's mouth. You want to start with 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Row 2 is just 6 single crochet around. Finish off and weave in one tail. You want to leave the other for stitching onto the llama. Now I'm using regular brown sewing thread to stitch on a nose. You could use embroidery thread too, or really whatever you have on hand. Now I'll be making the ears. Chain 5 and skip the first chain from your hook. The ears will be worked kind of like an oval. So you want to do a slip stitch, 2 single crochet, and 3 half double crochet in the last stitch of the row. Then you're going to turn your work and you'll be working on the other side of your stitches. Now that the 3 half double crochet are finished, you want to start working on the other side. You're going to do 2 single crochet and a slip stitch. Finish off your work and stitch in only one of the tails. You want to leave the other one to sew onto the llama. Make 2 of these ears. Now I'm working on the tail. You want to do a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, a triple crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and a single crochet, all in a magic circle. Don't make a slip stitch in the first stitch of your row as you normally would in a magic circle. Instead, you just want to finish your last single crochet and finish off the tail. Now it's time to assemble your llama. Stitch the ears to the back of the head and the nose to the center of the face, and then insert 2 6mm safety eyes on either side of the nose. I put the tail at the very edge of the last stitch of the back.